What is up, FLP gang? Welcome back to the channel and another episode. Today we are finally getting the motor pulled out of the Camaro. We're pulling out the Lt1. I know in the last video we was dropping the exhaust and unbolting the transmission, but we're ready to come out of the car with this thing. So check it out. We're building us up some dollies to hold the motor and the transmission. We're fixing to get the hoist out and get that tied to the front of the car and raise the car up. It's completely unbolted. We got my cousin John over here helping us out. Say what's up to YouTube, John.
Hey, what's up?
And she's coming down. So we're gonna get this thing jacked up. That way we can roll out the whole engine and K-member and transmission all in one unit. We are finally getting it out. On the SD card that we lost, forgive me for the wind guys, the SD card that we lost, the footage was on, or some of the footage was this motor getting picked up from the machine shop, which I have a couple of clips that I recorded on my phone. So I'm gonna insert those here. Alrighty guys, so we made it back to the machine shop and we just picked up the heartbeat of America. We're doing this on my phone because we left the GoPros at home, but forgive me if I'm a little shaky. Haven't had breakfast this morning, but there we are. She's ready to grow, ready to go back into the Camaro. So let's get this thing back to the house and get it back on the engine stand, get ready to slap the cam in it, and get this thing ready to roll. Get the other engine out of the Camaro and get ready for this one to go in. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we made it back to the house. We've already installed part of the engine stand on. About to get it back on the engine stand. Once we do that, we've got to get the motor out of this thing, transmission, K-member, start rebuilding the whole K-member. We got one drive shaft. Okay, now that we're back, so we got that motor picked up, freshly done. I really wanted to go with some forged internals. I really wish we would have, but we're not going to worry about it. It's should be good, cast iron block. It should be fine. But the motor that's coming out now, that's going to be the motor that we forge the internals later once this channel gets off the ground. So make sure you hit the like button, comment down below what you guys think. But we're going to continue to get this motor out. About going through there, it's hung up like two dogs.
Oh, Mike?
Oops. Where's it?
It's right here.
Oh, damn.
We got two lines we got to get.
Oh, yeah. We got to come off with this one. Got to come off with this brake line here. Y'all didn't see that.
Take it off.
Edit.
Just edit.
peasy.
Easy cheesy. Let her down easy.
Easy. Here goes nothing.
Easy.
You want to move it a little more?
You would too. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna have to set you guys down. Slow and easy. Do we want to put it on jack stands?
You can if you want to.
That way we could pull this out of here.
Okay.
Because it may be here a while.
You're the boss.
It may be here a while.
Victory dance again, but I'm gonna say, jam on it.
Jam on it.
Yeah.
Jamming now, boy.
This is gonna work.
Well, she is out of there, fellas.
We got all new place to play.
Now, here's Mike's job.
Oh boy.
This is the fun part.
Yeah, this thing will be fun.
Pull the heads.
If we had the money, I'd just go all tubular. I'd get rid of that K member and just put tubular K member in it.
Oh.
Anybody want to donate a tubular K member? Let me know. DM us on Instagram.
Hey, Gas Monkey, if y'all watching, please help us out. Dude.
All right, well, we're gonna get this transmission unbolted and get this thing up on the engine stand and start ripping those heads off, and then probably call it a day. Channel locks have been the tool of the day.
Taking them bastards home with me.
John wants them because they've been saving our tail all day long.
Oh shit, I gotta get this damn plate off too. Shit.
Starter's still on it.
Original transmission.
Hope that boy's having fun killing deer.
Yeah. Jonathan did not make it today in this video, guys, because today is first day of hunting season today. So he went to go try to kill him a deer.
Yeah, I'm over here wearing the camouflage, and I'm still on his engine.
We're hunting.
We're hunting the motor.
We're hunting a Lt1. This little pin fell out. I don't know where from.
That goes on the jack.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we don't need that.
Not today.
Not today. Oh, it fell out right there.
Oh, you need that.
Yeah, definitely need that. I can't believe it came out that easy. 25 years of manifolds. Well, we got a set of brand new headers to go on that thing. Right, chum. Yes, indeed. So we've got it broke down to the heads. Well, mostly John, but we believe it's a head gasket.
Thinking, maybe. How in the hell?
Well, we're gonna find out when we pull it off. Voila. And just like that.
Right there too.
Huh?
Could have leaked right there too.
That's more than likely why she was running hot.
Yep, you can see washout spots in here.
Gaskets
See
are
right
old.
there? See that washout spot right there?
Yep. All right, boys and girls. We can see here. We had a washout here. It was leaking water. And I think back here as well. So on both sides. And that's just from time. 265,000 miles. Original gaskets. Original motor. And BJ is over here setting up.
We're gonna put a new engine stand together because the one we originally have
Is holding the new
is
motor.
already got the motor on it. So we're gonna put another one together and
Put this
set
motor
this
on it.
sucker on there.
Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much a wrap for the day. We got everything cleaned up. K-member tore down. Motor off of it. She's heartless. And transmission. And block up on another engine stand. Ready to be tore down. Heads are over here ready to go to the shop. And
The wheels want to go get burned.
can't burn no wheels right now. But
we can put them on something else.
and this motor is going to be transplanted. So that's going to be a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button. And FLP is signing off. Peace.